Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and everybody is doing really good. If you have seen our last video, then we had come to Abu Dhabi and we have already checked in our hotel and we were really tired because of all the traveling, so we thought to rest. Today is the next day and it's a fresh morning, so good morning. And for that, we have come downstairs to have our breakfast. We had like a buffet for our breakfast, and in here there was like different sections. In like each section you find different things. Like in the first one there was like a sandwich section, I guess, because in there we had all the ingredients for making our own sandwich, like lettuce and like beef and chicken slices, and also like cheese and many things. Like whatever you want, all the things are there, and however you like, you take it for your sandwich. There was also like fruit section and the main section, live egg section, and also like the bakery place. This was the main section where like there was rice and paratha and everything, like in here. And in here we took whatever we wanted to eat. This was all we took. As you were seeing, I also bought my ingredients for my sandwich because I like eating sandwich, so I wanted to eat a sandwich. I will make the sandwich at the end. At that time you can see that what I was talking about, like different ingredients, but I guess you guys already understood. And in here I was making my own sandwich. I used some lettuce and some slices of cheese and also like some sausages and everything. Finally, we had some coffee. Not me, but our parents had some coffee, and that was the last thing. After the coffee, we went to a nearby store because we had to buy some things that was like we needed it for emergency, because like in our car one thing was broken, so we had to buy another one. By the way, it was just a quick stop, and after that we started for our today's journey. Today we are going to go and visit the Emirates place. It was just like an in like the fairy tales. It was like a castle. When we reached there, I was wondering, do like actually the sheikhs, like the kings, do they live here? I was questioning because like a lot of pictures of the sheikhs were there on the walls. You will see, because we were about to go out, and a lot of skyscrapers were outside in here just nearby, because of course it's Abu Dhabi, so a lot of skyscrapers need to be there. That's what, like, it's, come on, what else can we expect? Some huts? Just kidding. And this is, we are already inside, and this was like the yard type of thing. The castle is still on our left side, and this was the castle. It was just like the sides, and the main thing was so big. It already looks so amazing, but from inside it's so more amazing, 3 times extra amazing than how it looks from outside. It looked like full, like you can see, I don't need to explain it, you can see for yourself. It has so great lightings and all, and of course it was like very royal and clean. Like no dirt was nowhere, even though like so many people were coming and visiting and going, but we could see the floors were as clean as like a whiteboard at the starting of the session of each day. I mean like classes in school. Anyway, as you can see, it looks so amazing. Everything was super clean, and the lightings and everything was perfect, and it made it look so royal and so like hi-fi. If you know, it feels like that. It was like a, of course it was like a palace. It had to be like that. It was just like a castle. And he was saying about so many pictures of the sheikhs were there. So I probably guess they do come here and live. But I don't have any idea. Do they or don't they? Anyway, we took pictures and we also took videos and all. This was more inside of there. There were many like these doors, and inside we don't know what, because like most of the doors were locked. So we did not go inside there. There were also a lot of plants, like these pots, not plants, these pots were there. But like my favorite place was in the center of the whole palace. This place. It is so amazing. I was just staring at this top and just looking at it like so amazing. The design is so good, and they also made it like, I can't explain, but it's just so amazing. That thing was the thing that impressed me the most. Everything was super impressive, but that is the thing that was like amazing. We also walked more, and we also like explored the whole castle, how it looked like from where. But most of like insides and all, they were like locked. There were doors to go inside, but like when we tried to open it, maybe one or two were open, but we did not go visit it. Just like because it was getting late, and we also wanted to visit other places as well. So after visiting the whole palace really nicely, we just came the outside of the palace to see how it looked like from outside, and indeed it also looked amazing from outside too. After that, we just left the place and we enjoyed ourselves a lot. And then we were going to our next destination, that was the... You can see in the next video. Until then, bye bye, ma salama.